Harvested at peak freshness, these dates are carefully placed into crates for transport. The journey begins early. Freshly harvested, these dates are now en route to the processing facility.
The dates now enter the first stage of the washing system, where high-pressure jets of water ensure maximum cleanliness.
Damaged fruit is swiftly identified and removed, guaranteeing premium quality.
Here at the main hall, the recently harvested dates enter the processing line. This automated system ensures optimal sorting and cleaning.
Inside the moisture control chamber, the precise application of sterile mist stabilizes the dates for optimal shelf life.
Here at the texture inspection point, each date is checked by hand for optimal softness and consistency before packaging.
The moisture content is right on target for this batch.
Looks good.
Send it to packaging.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that only approved dates are selected, guaranteeing the highest quality product for our customers.
Here at the quality control stage, we ensure every date meets our high standards before it moves on to the final packaging phase.
Here at the packaging hall, the dates begin their journey through our state-of-the-art hygienic facility.
After careful inspection, the cartons are automatically sealed, ensuring peak freshness for our premium dates.
The automated wrapping station ensures every pallet of dates is secured for transit, maintaining the highest safety standards.
Ensuring the perfect alignment of every pallet is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the dates during transit.